Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix laptop speakers crackling. So this is a very common problem and we are going to do few very easy steps and let's fix this problem. So the very first thing here at the bottom right corner where you see the speakers icon, do a right click and then go to sound settings. And we need to scroll down more and we will go to more sound settings and then in playback section select your speaker, do a double click on that, go to the advanced tab and uncheck this enable audio enhancement, then go to the default format. Try to change it. If it's in the maximum, go to the lower section 48, then try 24, then try 16. Just play around with it and it should work for you. And make sure this signal enhancement should be unchecked. And you can also try these for headphones, but if we are looking for speakers, just leave it off, turn off, and just click on apply and OK, and this should fix. For most of us, this will fix the problem, and if you still have issues, I would recommend to update your Windows. Sometimes updating the Windows changes a lot of things and drivers, and you can also try updating drivers from here by doing a right click and going to the settings and then go to the Windows update, go to update history, and here we will look for I'll make driver updates right here. If you have any pending audio driver, you can simply update it. Else go to the device manager by doing a right click on the start icon and then device manager. And here audio inputs and outputs, select your right speaker. So I'm using speaker Realtek. I'm in the laptop. Just do a right click, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers. And if it's done, then do it again. Click on update driver, select browse my computer, then let me pick and select audio endpoint. Try that. If that doesn't work, go for another software, see if that works for you. All right, so this is how you can fix the speaker crackling sound, especially in laptop. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.